Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Omu's Kitchen. Today we'll be making our jalapeno stuffed with mozzarella cheese, chicken wrapped with bacon. This is a very simple meal, very quick to make. I love doing this for my family. They love it. It's just straightforward. You don't need a lot of ingredients, and it's a good source of proteins. If you are into fitness, or you are trying to be on diet, or you are trying to just live a healthy lifestyle, this is a good meal. It caters both sides, whether you are on diet or you are just taking in normal meals. So what you will need your chicken breast. This chicken breast, I'm still going to cut it, make it ready to be able to take all the jalapenos. Okay, then you need jalapenos as well. It will depend how many pieces you want to make, but today I will try to make maybe 4 or 6. Then you'll also need a mozzarella cheese. This is our mozzarella cheese. I already grated it. And then this is our bacon. So this is a dry meal, but the bacon will add the oil that we need to make our meal to be a bit oily. So yeah. And this here we have black pepper. This is a black pepper. I just mixed black pepper, white pepper, salt to have a little bit of taste. You don't need to have a lot of spices in it because the jalapeno is a little bit spicy. It will add flavor into it as well. So yeah, let's get on and see how we'll prepare all this. I can't wait to see the final product. I love this. I hope you will try it at home as well and see how it tastes. Let's go. Okay, now I'm adding my jalapeno. This is how it goes. Okay, try to find a knife that is a little bit sharp so that you Okay, now I've washed all my jalapenos. They are all cleaned inside. Everything is ready. They are washed out, all clean, ready to be stuffed with mozzarella. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you how I go with my chicken. I already washed my chicken. Now I'm going to slice it so that we will be able to roll the jalapenos in it. Okay, you press your chicken breast down. You go like this. All right, after you open your chicken, if you are someone that likes spicy food, you can add a little bit of salt and pepper and cayenne pepper just to give it a taste. I normally don't do this because the bacon has flavors in it, so it all depends with individual when it comes to taste. Now all ready for the oven, 350 Celsius or 150 degrees. Here's the final product. The oil is a bit too much, but it's not a train smash. We're not going to use that oil, so I'm just going to throw it away. Yeah, this is the final product. I'm gonna plate this and dig in.